Our next questions are question number 11, 12, and 13 of chapter 13, Miscellaneous. And moving on to question number 11, it says that A and B are two events and probability of A is not equal to 0. It's given that probability of B by A is 1. So if probability of B by A is 1, and we know that probability of B by A is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. And if we cross multiply this gives me probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A. So this happens when A intersection B is equal to A, and A intersection B is equal to A happens only when A is a subset of B. So this is A and B. So all the elements of A lies in B. So, so when A intersection B is equal to A. So that means A is a subset of B. So our option is option A for the first part. So it's option A. So this solves our question number 11. Moving on to question number 12. It says that, okay, it's given probability of A by B is greater than probability of A. Okay. Now probability of A by B means probability of A intersection B by probability of B greater than probability of A. And if we cross multiply this gives me probability of A intersection B is greater than probability of A into probability of B, which is none of these options. But if we move this to this side, so it would be probability of A intersection B by probability of A, which is greater than probability of B. Now the probability of A intersection B by probability of A is probability of A, sorry, it's probability of B by A. So probability of B by A is greater than probability of B. So our correct option is option A. So this is also option A. Sorry, probability of, it's not option A, but it's option C. It's greater than, so its probability of B by A is greater than probability of B, so it's option C. That's our correct option. And moving on to question number 13. So question number 13. For question number 13, it's given that probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B is equal to probability of A. A and A gets cancelled. So this is probability of B minus probability of and means intersection. It's 0. So its probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B. And probability of this can be written as probability of A intersection B upon probability of B is equal to 1. So this is probability of A by B is equal to 1. So this what comes as the conclusion. And if we check this, our option is B. So B is the correct answer for question number 13. And this completes our miscellaneous for chapter 13. Thank you for watching.